And again, looking down the knife, you cannot see the blade. And that's because it's actually in line. So for those who don't know about the riving knife, that's this knife. It will turn with the table as this the motor rotates. This whole thing will rotate, and I imagine that's gonna hit, and a reason why it's removable. But this whole piece right here could lift up. This keeps your fingers away from the blade. These anti-kickback, as the material that you're cutting pulls through, it holds on to it with these teeth, and it won't allow kickback. It prevents kickback. And then the riving knife itself, sitting right next to the blade, also keeps the wood from pinching as it comes through, which is another reason for kickback.